Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Pikachu step by step in an easy way, just with a pencil. We start drawing a cross. That cross gonna help us to add the element of the Pikachu face. The distance between the eyes is 2 eyes. Pay attention about that. Keep in mind. For the eyes, we only have to draw 2 circles like this. The nose is like a triangle, and really close to the nose is the mouth. For the mouth, we only have to draw a triangle too, but a big one, a huge one. And the face is like a circle. Now pay attention about the face. The face of Pikachu is like a circle. If you want, you can use a rule and drawing a perfect circle, and it's almost the same. I almost forget the ears of Pikachu. And after we draw the ears, it's time to add details. By the way guys, don't forget to comment below what do you want for the next video, and give me a nice like. And don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel, cause that helped me a lot. And now it's time to add details.
Gonna rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
And here we have the final result of our Pikachu. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a nice like and a nice comment too. See you next time. Bye bye. God bless you. Ciao ciao.